Hello everybody, we're in Animal Company and we're gonna be beating the game. Alright, let's get into it. We might die a couple times on the way there, but it's gonna be good. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, so what we're gonna need,
I will like and subscribe.
this, the light.
Give me a sec.
It's burning me.
Listen, Black, you are not a YouTuber. Second of all,
I can't see anything.
Hey, wait. Hey, dude, can you get me a weapon in the car? Because I don't have anything.
What do you need? Here, take that.
I just need what? Okay.
What do I need? Wait.
push me
What should I bring?
I can't.
I don't know what I should bring. I have a backpack. I have a pistol. I'm out of gas.
I'm just kidding. I'm
I
not
don't
going
got a
down
single.
there.
Can anybody buy me a grappler?
Okay, is everybody ready to go?
I need a grappler.
Yes, I am.
Well,
I'm not ready.
let's
Wait.
go.
No, wait.
I'm not ready.
Bye.
I need some. Let's go.
I might have to go at like 11, so the video's probably gonna end there. Cause I'm going to go to tutor.
I don't really care about the video. I posted
Oops. But that was a bit bad. That would have been so bad. Why do I not have a grappler?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Okay, I'm a little low. That's a really bad start. Have to wall run. No. I made
Wait
it.
for me.
I'll take that.
We're already
first.
at the crack. Somebody uses zipline gun to get up there.
Listen,
Yeah.
we need
So we can all
at least
get up
3
there.
people to survive to the end to get into the new map.
Yeah, I know.
And if
I'm already
And if
really
we-
low.
how?
Cause I hit the oil.
Oh, there's somebody. Okay, come on.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
My health regens over time, right?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Run.
I got a gun and
Too
I
late,
got a
we're already going
flashlight, bro. Oh
Wait for me.
god.
Too late.
I usually have a grappler when I go down here. I really wish I did. They're like one of the sword grapplers.
Man, none of y'all have big backpacks?
No, I
I have
have
everything unlocked
I
in
have
the skill
big
tree.
backpacks, but like
I
I
have
didn't bring
everything
it.
unlocked in the skill tree. Come on, guys, let's go.
Yo, what's this?
Guys, follow me. I know the way. Okay, this way.
Okay.
Oh, there. We have a weapon to kill him.
Yes,
What's that?
but I'm not going to. He won't hurt us.
Wait for me.
Guys, I'm new to this update.
Guys, come on.
He's not gonna hurt us.
Okay.
Unless we hurt
Up
him.
here. Oh, there's another one.
There is.
Guys, over here. Over here. And then over here. And then boom, we're out.
Guys, get out.
I swear if I fall right here, I am.
Look at him.
No. Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait
You're
for
the one
me.
that explained for me.
Guys. Too late, we're already on the 3rd level.
Oh, I just got so low. Oh. No, I'm healing. I'm good, bro.
You guys.
Alright, come on.
Okay. Let's go.
Flare.
Did somebody die?
I almost did. Alright, we're at the scary part, bro. We're
Guys,
speed
I'm new
running.
to this. I'm new to this update.
You don't know what any of this
What's
is?
going on in this update? No, I'm not new to this update.
What
What
was
is
that
that?
for?
Move,
It's a moving
back.
cease. Well, it's not really a moving
It looks like one
cease.
of those eyeball thingies.
I know, that's a cease.
Yeah, we gotta kill them and then we book it.
That looks super scary.
I'm gonna shoot him. Alright.
Okay, come on. Go.
Does anybody got some ammo? I didn't bring any.
Up here. To the
Where?
left.
No, that's not it. That's not it.
He's right, this is not it.
I died. Could you help me?
Where are you? Where's your body?
He's right here.
My body's right there.
Dude, I'll guard. You get him. I'm gonna guard. Get him.
Bro, can you
Get him.
Okay.
We need 3 people.
So, I'm trying my best, sorry.
I'll guard you.
Okay.
We're good. We're good. We're fine. Run!
Dude, I'm still dead.
How?
Somebody, he touched the lava, I'm guessing, but I'm almost dead, so you're gonna have to get him this time.
I'm almost dead too.
Wait, let me see how much you're at. For me, it says that you're dead.
Bro, we can't get him.
But we have
It's
to
fine, I'll
have 3 people.
respawn. Y'all wait at the water, alright? Wait at the water for me, alright?
Alright, let's go back.
Bro, I'm coming with them.
Alright, wait. Is everybody dead?
Just stay at the beginning of that level, okay?
Got him.
I'm on a cooldown.
Guys, I died.
I don't have it.
Do you have a big flashlight? I'm on a cooldown. Dinosaur, I'm on a cooldown.
I don't have
big
big
one.
I don't have them unlocked.
Okay, then I'll just wait. I'll wait it out.
Don't worry, I got a flashlight. Come on.
Got it.
boys.
Okay, let's go.
Boys. Bro, I died. I was trying to go back and I got lost in there.
Hey, don't worry. All of them will die.
Ooh.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
I kind
let's
of
go.
just punched a hole in my sister's wall.
You what?
I can see your little booty cheek. I might just tickle it.
There's people.
We don't need this
Let's go.
anymore. Let's go. Let's go,
Okay.
Jack.
Guys, I know the way. Left, kill him.
Yeah, behind you.
This way. Come on, guys, let's be
Sorry about
Dinosaur.
this long
Left, left,
video.
up here.
I'm gonna cut this into a short.
No, it's left.
I honestly forgot that I was recording.
So you have to
Then
come
right
over
here.
here. Yeah, over here.
Then up here. Then boom, we're out. Okay?
Made it. Hey,
Next
next
one,
time,
come on.
hey dude, after we finish this, can we go in the vents and look for Game Boys?
Yeah,
Don't touch the red ones. They hurt you.
We know. No, brother. Ooh, we're here.
how did he just make that freaking
Made it.
jump?
I fell through the map somehow.
Don't
and I
shoot
came
him.
out. Do not. Do not.
Damn it.
Shoot him.
I
Never
mean,
mind. Here, just run through.
Made it, bro. Oh my god.
One time, Mimic chased me all the way into the fifth level, this level, and I was so.
I need backup, I repeat, I need backup.
Make sure to shoot him.
Oh god.
Whoa.
Guys, Mimic's coming.
Mimic's here. Mimic's here. Mimic's here. Come on, guys. Mimic's here. Guys,
What the
Mimic's
fuck?
here. We gotta kill him. Somebody, if
What's
you
that?
have a
I know how to kill
shotgun,
Mimic.
please shoot him. And I gave one of you guys a shotgun.
Doing?
Mimic's behind you. Somebody kill him.
Got it.
I want to be the
Damn.
hero today.
No, guys.
I killed him.
Okay, he's dead.
Guys.
Guys, dude.
Oh,
can I have something?
revolver ammo.
Can I have it?
No, revolver
Thank
ammo.
Okay, guys.
Okay, come on, guys.
Be careful.
Go.
We have to play floor. We have to play the floor is lava or we die. It's like Squid Game, but different.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam.
You guys want to know how to go through yesterday?
Wrong way.
Wrong way.
You're already liar.
No, 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 no. What the hell?
Guys.
They're both
You hear
open.
me? You what?
Here, just come this way. We can go a different way.
No, you can't.
Never mind. You're right, we can't. Rich, stop touching the ground.
I didn't mean to.
Don't let them get here.
You died? I killed one. Good job.
There's still one more.
Now is not the best time. What? I got a fan. I got a fan. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Yes, please. Can I have water? Guys, I'm pretty low. Guys, I'm out.
Guys, there's one. This is the last pack. Should we book it or should no?
I'm at 1
We might have to
HP.
book it.
I'm at 1 HP.
Okay.
Purple. Purple might be cooked, guys. And watch out, the moving.
We
I'm
all
still
just.
alive. Do not revive. Do not revive. I'm still alive. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to revive you. It's just
What's your health?
What's your health?
I'm almost full.
Alright, alright.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Okay, can that guy just move?
Like he's just blocking the way.
I'm gonna kill him.
You know what? Don't find me. Just get my shotgun real quick, alright?
No, but we need to.
Well, that was a
We're
flop.
all dead. Okay, guys.
Guys, one of you pushed me. One of you pushed me. Literally, I fell.
Okay, this time I am
I need a flashlight,
bringing
bro.
a teleport gun,
Okay.
Can I have
2
a teleport
shotguns.
gun?
Can I have a teleport gun?
One shotgun? Can I have one?
Actually, wait, I'm gonna.
Can
need
I
one.
have one?
No, guys, don't.
I've never
don't
had
take
one.
These. These are mine.
Now teleport guns.
I haven't had a teleport gun yet.
Well, there's 2 right here.
Hold up. Wait. Gadgets.
Someone give me one. Give me a teleport gun.
There's one right
I
there.
need a teleport.
Okay, everybody,
Chat,
let's go.
We are gonna do this time. No backing down.
Nobody take my
Second
teleport
time's a
gun.
charm. We don't know how attempts it's gonna take, but we will do it. Do you believe in yourself?
Yes.
No. Hey, don't speak like that. Don't speak like that.
Alright,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We will. I promise. I'm just don't
Dinosaur, we're gonna meet you there, okay?
like start.
Alright, I'm going.
Okay, come on.
I've never used a teleport gun. Let's try
Oh, I
it.
have. What do you have?
What the f?
Okay, come on, guys, let's wait.
Hey, what about your bag?
I bought so much shotguns and so much ammo and so much teleportation guns for all of us that I'm on a cooldown again. Oh, we got everybody. Let's go down.
Do all of y'all have big bags?
This is my favorite part.
bum,
like my favorite part where like
bum,
fall
bum,
down.
bum, bum,
Guys, I got hit.
bum, 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 bum.
Whoa.
I don't have a big flashlight.
I don't have to tell you anything at all.
We gotta wait, Purple. We gotta wait.
Unless or lush.
Okay, come on, guys, come on.
Get out of our territory, little bro. Get out.
Come on, guys, follow me this way.
What the
This way, come on. Come on, guys, this way. He's not attacking right now. Just come on.
Shoot him. Shoot.
I am.
Don't. Where do we go?
Guys, over here, over here, over here.
Where?
Over here. Behind you, behind you. Behind you guys. Behind you.
Pokemon card.
Oh, okay, guys,
Pokemon
over
card.
here.
Found a Pokemon card.
Left, down, up here, left.
No, it's this way. It's this way.
Are you sure? I'm pretty
Oh,
sure.
no, it's not. It's over here.
Where are you guys?
It's over here. Come on.
Killed him.
Nice guy. I know the way.
Wait, no, bro, purple. We gotta wait for them. Purple.
Listen, the guy that's inside, just leave red behind. Come on, we gotta go.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, I just gotta do this real quick.
Use the flare gun. Yeah.
Where is that mimic?
I see a mimic.
Alright, there you go. Come on.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I'm
let's
still
go.
getting
Right
used
there.
to the
Right.
teleport gun.
You're back to mama.
Bum, bum, bum.
Be careful.
Bum,
In
bum,
this map,
bum.
it can accidentally launch you out.
I still haven't uploaded the Squid Games video. I did.
Come on, come back down.
I'ma kill him.
No, I will.
Okay, come on, let's go, let's go.
All right, hold up. Wait, I need a.
Hey.
I need some ammo. Does anybody got some ammo?
I just used mine. So.
No.
Don't take this.
All right.
Come on.
All right. I got.
Yes, please.
We've got to
Hey,
go.
this mine.
That out.
Take it. Drop the phone. Okay, Dad.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, get that back.
We'll meet you there.
Yeah. Oh,
Give that back.
great.
A fan.
That is
Gee, how
wonderful.
many fans am I gonna get today?
I see another. Why would you drop that on the floor? Come on, we gotta go. Coming. Good, to the left.
Got him.
Over here.
All
Everybody have
of
a
them
light?
should be dead. All of them should be dead.
Okay, we need
Unless
somebody
it's
with the
on.
light to go in front.
No, not me. Are you kidding me, people?
Well, listen, I don't have light and I'm leading this place.
Yeah. Yes, you gotta. Sometimes you just gotta be
Okay, this is the last this is the last area. Oh, frick. Get ready to shoot. If he comes down here, you gotta get ready to shoot.
Should we just book it, Ralph? Yeah, book
Honestly,
it. Just book it.
yeah.
Yep, we're fine. Yeah.
I made it.
Yes. Sir.
Yo, we're there.
No, guys, we have to
Okay.
steer the robot before we. Don't worry.
Hurt
they'll
yourself.
respawn.
Where are you guys?
Hey, guys, don't go without me.
We can't get seen by the eyeballs, bro.
Yes. I
Don't tell Mark.
just got to
Somebody
the
help me
place
find
I
my
needed to
teleportation.
be and it doesn't save.
Where is it? It's right here.
Okay, guys, get ready.
The water doesn't kill you.
Okay. Hold on to two. Hurry. Guys, help. Help.
Hold up. Let me get on the other side.
Bro, did someone die?
Oh God. Alright.
Can I have one? Guys, I don't have one.
Guys, share it. Purple, you can't just
I
steal
need.
all of them.
I only have
Okay,
one.
fine.
I only have one.
I have 0.
I got some.
Okay, thank you, Purple.
Alright. I got 2.
Ammo. I didn't get any. No, stop. Give me that back. Stupid.
Oh,
Please.
Give me it back then, you stupid.
Res me.
Dude,
Gotcha.
y'all keep on killing each other.
Yippee. Got him.
Here you go. Alright, now give me my ammo. Nope.
It's my ammo.
Fine. You better not kill me if I res you.
I'm a robot.
Yeah. Just res me.
Connection lost.
There, now we're even. Yeah?
I'm a little munchkin robot.
Hi.
Is this yours?
I'm a Sigma.
Thanks. I'm sorry for
Let me up. Let me up.
Wait.
Bro, I'm
Let's go back.
climbing
Let's go
Mount
back.
Everest. Huh.
And look behind you.
Ah,
Yeah, Mr. Robot.
bro, I'm
Look behind
stuck.
you.
I can't go. Please stop. I'll self-destruct right now. Yo, I can't get up. I'm gonna self-destruct. No. Wait, because then I lose all my stuff. How the heck do I get back up? I'm stuck here freaking alone. Oh, I'm going to crash. Ouch. Dude, why can't I go up this? Somebody help me in the comments. I'm freaking crashing. There we go. What the hell? Server is collapsing. Is there stuff over here I can do? Because I'm crashing. What? Somebody in the comments explain to me. Ow. Hit my table. Alright, I guess I'm gonna leave so my stuff saves. Bye.